Some of you, your native doctor has become your father more than your biological father, who stood in for you. Thank you, Maureen. Everything you consider is your mother, where is your father? Even in the physical, there are issues you will have. It requires the presence of your father for that thing to be solved. He may not have money, he may not be educated. Value him. Show me a man that is cursed by his father, then I will show you a man that is blessed by the words of his father.
No, but you keep oh God, it one name. No, but you keep oh God, it anymore. No, but you keep oh God, it one name. No, but you keep oh God, it ụbọchị okiwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu n'ụbọchị okiwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu.
Have you shared this broadcast? Now let me share one experience with you. In those days, when the first son is close to his father hands over all the properties to him, expecting him to reach out to his younger ones. Even though if the man did not share properties before, if you check, the first son will have authority, upper hands over everyone. It's not his fault, it's not a crime. He was close to his father. The business of his father, the farmlands of his father, he became in charge. He was closer to his father. His father handed over everything to him, even without writing it. Now, such people who inherited such properties, who took over from their fathers, I want to ask you, are you now a father to your younger ones? Or have you finally become an enemy to them? The lands your father left behind, did you share and give to them? Or you became a kingdom overnight? Your brothers don't matter anymore. Are you still alive as their elder brother, as the representative, as the real image of their father? Or have you become a torment to your younger ones? Senior brother, senior brother, you are the blood, the first blood of your father. You took over from him spiritually. You arrived before others. In clarity, do you need to sell off all the properties? Must you cheat your younger ones? Today, being Father's Day, God bless you. Nwosu Kenneth Okechukwu, I celebrate your father because you are both to celebrate your father in the comment section. I celebrate you. I celebrate your father. Daddy, God bless you. Your son Nwosu Kenneth Okuchukwu is wishing you a happy Father's Day. Are you taking care of your younger ones? Or have you converted all the properties your father left behind because they don't know all? Have you now taken over all the properties?
No, but you keep Ogadiri go one name. No, but you keep Ogadiri.
On the process of you cheating your younger ones, what if you are no more? Your children will definitely queue up under them. The love you showed to them today is what they will return to you, senior brother. Your younger ones are saying, I wish my father is alive. he would not have allowed you to do this, because all of you are one. What I'm telling you is like a culture in our place. People are doing it now. You were close to your father. Your younger ones, it is not their fault that they didn't grow up the same time with you. All of you must not come into this world the same time. Are you now cheating them? Senior brother. Senior brother. I'm asking you certain questions your younger ones must have asked before some elders. Why are you isolating your younger ones? Why are you making your brothers today, as of today, none of them can send you a message and say, "Day, Happy Father's Day," because you've dealt with them. They watch people celebrate their senior brothers. They watch people celebrate their uncles. They cannot celebrate you. Uncle, why have you closed the lines your father has kept open?
Lifted and lifted, I lift your name on higher. Greater than the grave, Lord, I worship you.
Many people are asking, is my father still alive? Their fathers are somewhere. Some people, their fathers are still alive. Ambitions, you're welcome. But their father don't care for them. Let me tell you, as a young man, the moment you ignore your child, be it a girl child or a male child, the moment you ignore that child to suffer with one lady, one girl somewhere, you have painted your career black. Believe me, people will be quoting it and it will be speaking up against you. Do you know what it means? Now, when you hook up, do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? It's a stain to your lineage. Hit the love and like button. That's what you do for me. Share the broadcast.
Onye mechi onye muwa, echi dime. Onye mechi awe, onye mechi onye muwa, onye mechi onye muwa, echi dime.
Let me tell you, Echidime, you never can tell. That your younger brother you are dealing with may later become a light to the family. That your child you've left somewhere may later become a light and a hope unto your career and destiny. You never can tell. Today, people are celebrating Happy Father's Day. People are sending you Happy Father's Day. But I want to ask you, the reasons why they are sending you Happy Father's Day is because of that your own little child. You kept as a secret somewhere. Are you not being stained in hearts? Where is that child? Where is that child? Some men you see who will come on the social media most times and insult me. To provide daily square meal for their children is very, very difficult for them, but they can drink a bottle of beer. They can comfortably buy things for their friends to eat and drink so that they will clap for them and praise them. The highest friend you have is your child. What makes you a father? Even the Bible cost you. Even Bible bro ndi obula noni ide letally onwega ide letally your child or your children ide letally your family. Some women are carrying loads so heavy on them. All you do as a man eloti idienni idina that woman mbosoroge, no light, no liveliness. Before she met you, she had 4 boyfriends. She casted all down believing in you. How are you treating them now? Can your children eat and say they are okay? Daddy, thank you, from the depth of their hearts. You prefer to go buy tire and change on your vehicle than paying your child's school fees. Very difficult these days. Prepare them for opportunities ahead. Pray for them. Qualify yourself as a father people will celebrate. Qualify yourself. Qualify yourself. Build your child. Take time to talk with him. Take time to talk with your children, especially the male children. Life does not also end on you bringing money, providing food. Take time to interact with your children. Take time to interact with them. Talk with them. Discuss with them, especially your first child. There is a place, every Ngopala person watching me now, and I'm very sorry to talk about these people. If you're coming from Olakwa, entering Ngopala to Nguru, hold on, please. Welcome back. Now listen. There is a particular family. If you get to Lapo Junction, this is not exposing them to danger. If you're going to Umowere, in fact, in Guru, let me just describe it that way. There is a place, about 4 brothers together, built houses. All of them duplex mansion together, this side and this side. 4 brothers. The most senior one is a pharmacist in Lagos. He was closer to his father. His father trained him very well, sent others to school equally, but collide all of them to the strength of their elder brother who has conscience. That one became a pharmacist and took over from his father, started raising his younger ones. By the grace of God, the 4 the 4 sons of his father, all of them are doing very well now. Anywhere the senior brother sees any opportunity to put any of the younger ones, he does it, and all of them have sense, patience. They don't live extravagant life. The effort of their father impact upon the life of their senior brother yielded the result of which has become a blessing to others. This family are highly rich. They've left the general compound where their fathers groomed them. So the general compound could not influence the heart of the man. The man ahaporo itrain woman ki ajebe competition oruwule loruwanka cause one problem drag wala na the main compound. The man ignored his enemies and raised his children. Today they are the richest. Very quiet and silent. But do you know whom I'm thanking most? The most elder brother who took his younger ones like his responsibility. Today all of them are great. I say the same pattern of mansion, about 4 mansions the same time. You need to see the other day they buried their mom. The love was written all over their face. These brothers, they love themselves. If you see their cooperation, if you see their unity, they can break the hedge. Casey and E-Money, Obi Kubana and his brother. Do you see the bond? The senior always see the need to carry the younger one along. Senior brother, what are you doing to your younger brothers? Okwa no be your father haporo ke enye ha wa okwa ya wa ki irese now. Tomorrow, how do you think if they rise against you, if you call on the gods of your ancestors, they will answer you? They will not answer you. That is why some of you, Your attitude will be hemorrhaging stroke as a senior brother. You think you are bewitching your younger ones. Etagaha winch. Get out from this page. Get out from here right now. Immediately. You look stupid. Come on, get out. I block people per day. Oh, Uduka, the last person I blocked here, many of you didn't see him. He's one of those kind of people you see who misbehaves a lot. If Ukogene treating his younger ones right now, they don't have conscience. In villages, go and make calls. There are places where some fathers in Rechago, all the properties they have been sold all. Before your children could come back from the city, he Rechago everything as a father. Daddy, I want to ask you, are you still alive? Those your children you are dealing with, is their father still alive? For you to be a father, then there are mechanisms you must put in place as a father, of which will ignite the strength upon your children. Your child is the highest friend you have. Your children must be close to you. You must interact with them. Let nothing deprive you from speaking to them every morning, especially your male child. They are the beacon, the beholders of your image. Your first child. A first child opens the womb for others to come. A first child is a sign of greatness. A first child is a sign of open doors. That's why the devil fights them tooth and nail. Senior brother, don't get tired of carrying your younger ones along. Don't get tired. Don't get tired. God kept you ahead of them. Some of you, the level of wickedness you have shown to your younger ones, if your third younger brother was to be the first born of the family, he would have done better than you. Some of these senior brothers, whom are supposed to become fathers to their younger ones as of today, because your younger brother came back with a car, from that day, he has become your enemy in disguise. Some of you senior brothers that are supposed to become fathers to your younger ones, the difficulties, the witchcraft your younger ones are facing in the city today are not caused by distance people. It is you. You just say you go and bring a charm to make this your younger brother who is getting money to be listening to you, so that anything you say he will obey. Of course, you and I knows that the moment he starts listening to you 100%, he will start having issues with his wife. He will start having issues with his wife. He will start having issues with his immediate family. And the moment he begins to have problem in the city with his wife, with his in-law, with his business, while listening to you, you mislead him to go and buy one land inside the bush. He pays your own children's school fees. What are you doing? Are you still alive? Share this broadcast for me.
N'ụbọchị oke iwe, ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m. N'ụbọchị oke iwe, ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu.
Before you know it, through your wrong advice and your diabolical attitude, you are beginning to control your younger brother. He has started a building in the village that he cannot finish. And guess where you gave him to build a house? Because his father is no longer alive. You as a senior brother, you took over. You are supposed to be their father. You are supposed to be their destiny helper. Even if you don't have money, good advice. When he has issues with his wife, your own immediate younger brother, opportunity for you to make peace between them. Senior brother, you sowed discord. You discouraged your younger brother from continuing with his family. But you are managing your own. You think that your own children will raise better. Every particle of wickedness you deposit to others returns back to you, senior brother. Where is their father? People will not tell you what they go through. Somebody will complain to me over his situation in Anambra, where his elder brother took over the only portion of land his father gave to him because he lives abroad. And before you know it, he kept threatening this guy. your own younger brother. You are cheating your own younger brothers. Direct people that should inherit from your father's property. You are cheating them to the safeguarding properties for your own children that you don't know what they will do with it. Any day you pass on, your children will return those things to the exact means of misery through which you got them, by selling them to smoke drug.
N'ụbọchị oke iwe, ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m. N'ụbọchị oke iwe, ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu.
There comes a time for judgment. You are using charm to control your younger brother. Even your children, go and check most of these people who runs about charm. Jidonya. Check their own children. Check the condition of their own children. They pay lesser attention to their children. Do you know that some of these wicked people, whom are supposed to be fathers to their own children, they don't even trust their own children? Are you having a good result? That when your child comes inside your room, something will get missing? Are you sure you are raising a family as a father? Are you sure you are raising child? The same today, I want to ask those of you who lives abroad, our men, our Igbo men in the United States. To those children you are looking at there, is their father still alive? You know, I'm asking you this question. Many of you, you've had a comfort life overseas. Your wife has caged you by the law. Your children can no longer return here. To at least retain your name. You are in cage all because of success. And when we talk with you on the phone, you say to us, Africa is bullshit. Africa is totally destroyed and you cannot come here. But you are the one sending or funding certain insecurity in your own place. That's why you cannot come back home. You can never eat your cake and have it. That's the way life is. Two things are happening to you. One, you are raising a lost generation. You have children overseas, sir. You're 75 years and none of them can come home. They don't even know. If you ask them, where are you from? It tells I am from Washington, D.C. Your names are missing immediately. Some of you will even brag and say, my children speak Igbo. They speak Igbo. Where? Anasibo, no, Anasibo. But you know that even though the Igbo they speak, they cannot come back here. Wasted years and wasted generation. Some men are overseas right now. They are regretting. They don't know how they can come back home. Mind how you raise children. Let me share this now. Yeah. Let me share this with you. The essence of raising your child very well. There is a young man, I posted his picture here some time ago on how he shares ladies' nude picture on social media. This morning I was deliberating something with my brothers here. That guy made a video and sent the video to me, video of apology to the general public. Only for me to discover between yesterday night and this morning that the young guy is still posting another lady's nude picture on the social media. Only Igbo. The same former girl he posted his nude picture, he's still busy threatening that one again. Let this be a message to some ladies. Be very, very careful. Now, this girl, oh yeah, get her from this page. This person commenting, yeah, get her from this page. Now, the young man, that girl he posted his nude, her nude picture last. This guy sent him another video of another different lady. Ebe the lady na sign or send the area. Near what I got another beginner shaking here. Look at how foolish. This boy is not well raised. Let picture posted again. And when he those send the guy. You know why I'm showing you guys these things? Some of these things I'm not supposed to show you. The boy in the jack here, only thing you want also Omeya video. Or whatever you send the other girl post to the post. This is how this boy. And he claims he does Yahoo. Well, let me bring out his picture and show you. Then Omega, he will cover his own face and post that of the lady, his victims. As a father, be close to your children. Be close to your children. Tell them this one is bad, this one is bad. Be it the girl child, bring them closer. He's even implicating himself the more, but I have no need responding to him. Only one person has these phone numbers. He buys SIM card per day. Deceive ladies, get their pictures. Onyibo. Let me show his picture here. The boy sent me videos and sent me voice note of which I saved, accepting that he did all of those things. Look at the boy. This same boy. After tendering apology to the public, this boy is still posting ladies' nude pictures. At this age. This is why you must be close to your children. You must be close to your sisters. Be very, very careful. And most ladies, your husband becomes your father. If your boyfriend is responsible, he becomes your father. That is why he protects you. That is why he cherishes you, just exactly in the same measure with your father. His own is even higher than that of your father because he sees your nakedness as an adult. Your husband takes the place of your father. That's why if you want to, there are things you can tell your husband that you cannot tell your father till this life end. Be closer to that man. If you meet one idiot as a boyfriend, you are finished. If you meet one idiot can cost you your career. One idiot can cost you your respect. One idiot can, man, one idiot. If you give birth to one idiot as a lady, you are finished. Don't even make mistake at all for the sake of flashy things. You know, there are men that doesn't have money, but they takes good care of their families. In the conscience of their children, his children, their father is still alive. They show care and love to their children. But they don't have enough money. People are like that. There are families in the village where we all came from. If you look at them, you see that the way the man structured his family, at least they feed well. Such children has more of intelligences. If you raise one idiot as your child, everything you have worked for and life ends. This boy doesn't understand the gravity of what he's doing. He doesn't know the implication of what he's doing, because as I am bold now posting, I can post his picture, I can keep repeating whatever he's sending to some of these his victims, they return them to me. If I like, I'll be posting them, blank the faces, and be saying, post, share evidence of what this guy is doing. His career will end for life. And when you raise an idiot like that, it will not only affect him, it will affect his lineage, his relations, everybody around. Emeka, goodbye from this page. Goodbye from this page. You see the way life is. Pray in your entire life never to raise a mistaken structure of humans around you. See, abnormality has eaten the system of Africa like this, that our dignity, our pride is the highest. Our integrity and dignity, our forefathers reserved, Akajo for them, was what preserved us till this day. But guess what? We are sinking all immediately. How? People are supporting abnormality.
N'ụbọchị okiwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m. N'ụbọchị okiwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu. N'ụbọchị okiwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m. N'ụbọchị okiwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu. N'ụbọchị okiwe ekwu okwu si n'ụbọchị okiwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu. N'ụbọchị okiwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu.
The days when you begin to account for all the abnormalities, for the wrongs you've done, when the days comes, when you look around, you remember the face of Governor Eziokwu, who was busy telling you the gospel truth of which you never listened. You begin to see it happen. The abnormality people give back to will meet them later. Are you listening to me? I want to ask you again, your children, in their conscience, are they asking the question of Genesis chapter 45 from verse 3? Is my father still alive? Are you alive unto your children? Are you alive unto your son? Are you alive unto your child? A girlfriend you met 13 years ago, she got pregnant, you abandoned her, you denied, and she went home with that child. Her parents are busy raising that child. I want to show you how karma works. It is better you take charge. It is better you take responsibility, because the Bible says that a man who is not worthy of his household responsibility is worse than an infidel. For you not to be an infidel, go and take that child. For you not to be an infidel in the realm of the spirit, your in-laws are winning you spiritually. You don't know. The mother of that child, the family, the immediate family, they are winning you in the realm of the spirit. It will backfire. The curse will no longer be upon them. The lady made a mistake. There is no problem. But it is returning a spiritual curse unto you and your own family. Go and take care of them. Be a father of responsibility unto that child. And if by mistake that child happens to be the first child you've ever gotten on earth, no other child you will give birth to will senior that one. Even if it's a girl child, she remains the first child. In the realm of the spirit, she means a lot. In the physical, na susibo, na libo, oya wabonwada. She bears a symbol and an image of which represents your offspring in life. As she's crying, she's suffering where she is. It is affecting your finances. If you go to pastor, they will collect money from you and pray for you. You go to native doctors, they will collect money and pray for you. But you and I knows what your problem is. Only you know. The secret you kept years ago, your mind has not even gone there. But go and check. The tears of a child is crying over your own life. A first child, any child at all in life, comes as a ways of success. It doesn't matter the process through which the child came. The mother of Jesus was not married. She was a gift unto Joseph. No, Joseph did not pay any bride price. The Bible says, and Mary was betrothed unto Joseph. So there were no process. There were no process of wedding. There were no process of anything. What matters is the Savior came out through her loins. I want to ask you, that's your child again. Today is Father's Day. Are you making a divine decision to go and look for that your child? That child is not a prodigal child and did not commit any sin against you. You committed a sin by bringing him into this world and allowing that child to suffer. Some men are this drastic. You chased a woman away with 5 children. You chased your wife away with 2 children. You chased her away with 3 children. She's somewhere now suffering. And let me tell you, within the space of 6 months, let's assume now that lady, after 6 months, nothing. The guy will go there chicken. Or when the appetite the chicken, the person is here with you, or later with that chicken, with the same hand of sex. The last child, the beggar, who may pay that in, top waterproof. With a part of that chicken, check the spiritual communication there, check what has happened. That your own little child has fed from Ihabatran and hook up. Think. You are building another vampire out of the pains of what she went through to even get food to give to these children. At her closest, she will be telling them that their father is a bad man. You are recruiting an enemy beyond the ones you have right now. Go and take those children, even if you don't want that woman again. You want freedom. That's why you want the children to stay away from you, so that you can be bringing in any ladies you like. Oga, the cost they are in is bigger than the profit they are in. Your child, more precious than any vehicle, more important than any size of aircraft. You never can tell what they can become tomorrow. Don't allow their character, their destiny to be infiltrated by the enemies. Think about it. The truth is that Eziokwu hala no 6 months. 69% of them will have a new man. Even if you bring them back, you begin to notice lapses. You begin to notice now she's talking with somebody. Attention. By getting a contaminated something, that thing she got from that hookup bed, it pollutes their destiny and their life, because you and I knows that in your presence, if you're watching that thing as a movie, you will even break the television. Take charge. Have patience. Have patience, sir. Madam, have patience for the sake of your children. Have patience. Endure. You've made the wrong step in right direction. But in all, you have to manage, because it was management that made our parents to stay. Like our mothers. My mom and my dad got married at the age of, my dad was 23. And my mom was about 19. So you should know how younger the both of them were. James, you're welcome. There will be issues often. The Bible says in Luke chapter 19, I think Luke chapter 17 or Luke chapter 19, it says, surely offenses will arise, but woe unto them through whom they shall come. Be a father to your child. Be a responsible father to your children. So many people, what we teach, many people don't pay attention to understand what we are saying. But their mistakes will find them one day. Because it is free. The day you meet a friend who does not know whom his father is the day you will appreciate the identity of fathership upon your life. Have you noticed, if you have a child like a son, if your first child is a son, is a male child, and he lives in the same house with you, have you noticed that in the morning that little boy will come and knock your door? So far you are a friendly father. He opens your door in the morning and comes and says, "Daddy, good morning." Some of them will sit a bit with you. They know that there is no kitchen in your room. He's coming to get certain spiritual ideas from you. That is why that child is coming there. Now it is expected. Our fathers, our grandfathers will hold that his first son and say, "Na take him or saw them man." Ela hope of him say yes. Or say, "Daddy, when they now hide your wound no." The father will not say, "Child, sorry." He gives that child love. That is why the parents of old, their male child loved them equal to the love they share to their mom. But the parents of today, the love their male children now offers to their parents is lower and lesser. Do you know why? The parents of today, what they provide is money. They don't provide love and care. They don't take time to sit with their children and interact with them, ask them questions and hear from them. Know when they are being misled. Tell them whom their father is. Few words of wisdom to you this morning. My name is Governor Eziokwu. Happy Father's Day. I'll see you some other time. Good morning.